Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Reddit mobile app on your phone to find simple solutions for the ARM11 error that shows up on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the top, tap the search bar and type in ARM11 error 3ds fix. You will see the result from different communities. Tap into one of these communities and scroll through the post. Many users have faced the same error and they share details steps on how they fixed it, like updating custom firmware, re-downloading missing files, or checking the SD card. When you open a post, read the comment section too, because that's often where the best step-by-step advice is shared. If you don't find a clear answer, you can make your own post. Tap the plus button at the top, choose the right community, and explain your issue. Be specific, mention when the error appears, and if you are using custom firmware, this makes it easier for people to give you the right fix. And that's it. Using the Reddit mobile app on your phone is a great way to connect others who have the ARM11 error and learn the exact steps they used to fix. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.